Hello, in front of me I have a Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. It will open this menu, and here you can select one of the options. We have Enable DND, Timed DND, and Smart DND. If you select Enable DND, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and the mode will stay on until you turn it off. If you select Timed DND, you can set a schedule for it, so basically on what time it should turn on and what time it should turn off, and it will do it automatically. And to set the schedule, tap on the arrow next to the Time DND, set the start time, so basically the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, then tap on the arrow, set the end time, and tap on the check mark. And next option is Smart DND. And what this option does is basically it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically when the watch detects that you went to sleep, that you're sleeping, basically. For it to work, you need to wear the watch on your wrist, basically. Okay, so that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. Select one of the three options, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on Disable DND to disable it. Also, I forgot to mention, if you enable Do Not Disturb mode, the icon will change the color. So let's tap on Enable DND, and if you open the quick panel, the icon will look like this. If you select Timed DND, the icon will look like this, and if you select oh my bad, I turned on the power saving mode by mistake. If you select Smart DND, the icon will look like this. And of course, if it's disabled, the icon is white, basically. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.